Hello, I'm going to discuss about Bitcoin in this video. Yesterday was Father's Day and someone posted a slide on what was Bitcoin's price every Father's Day since I think 2009 or so. Wow, I almost fell off the chair. It was that good and I wanted to share with you and then discuss where it is likely to go next. So here are the prices. In 2025, it's $105,000. But look at it. 2015, it was just $246. 10 Bitcoin would have cost you like $2,500, and we are talking about being a millionaire. We have to accept in 2014, 15, etc. Bitcoin was not getting popular, and it got popular somewhere around 2017 or 2018. Only those in the trading circles were aware of it. And what changed was the Bitcoin futures that we will look at it now. So this is the monthly chart of Bitcoin futures, and it was started in 2017. And notice it was pretty flat, and then the small move that happened, and notice the volume that is steadily going up. So now this is where we are. I drew a fib extension to see where it is likely to go next, and notice it, the fib extension 100, it's already past 100, so I'm looking at 161 fib, and we are talking about $122,000, which, assuming there is it goes in a steady path, we are looking at $122,000 before the end of this year. It can go all the way to $189,000, if 189, 186, if not for this year, at least in a year or two. Of late, what we noticed the difference is, back then there was not many buyers except MicroStrategy and few others, but now the funds have realized that Bitcoin is here to stay, and they are allocating a portion of their reserves into it. Bitcoin brings up polarizing discussions. The crypto geeks lump Bitcoin along with Ethereum, Solana, XRP, etc. I do believe that other than Bitcoin, all of them will eventually go to $0. Absolutely no worthy. Even though they say they have digital contracts, etc., I doubt very much that if these large banks with domain experience cannot do a job that couple of young geeks can do. But that's on other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is different. It can be an alternative. However, poor the alternative to gold reserves, because it is finite, and that adds to the aura instability. If you are a young millennial getting into the job market or a young worker in general, a lot of things are stacked against you. Real estate, once a very reliable income generator, now the housing prices are high. The rents are not that much related to the expenses of higher mortgage, higher insurance, etc. Inflation eats away a lot of your hard-earned money, and Bitcoin could be one of those catch-up tools that you have. Try to focus, learn, save in Bitcoin as much as possible, because if we are talking about $189,000 and Kathy Wood says it's 1.5 million by 2030, forget about 1.5 million, let's be half a million, which I do believe is possible in the next couple of years, within the next 5-6 years. You are talking about a sizable wealth that you are going to miss out. Now, a quick infomercial. This is the fib extension that I drew, and I also refer to TTM. but I do refer to a lot of other technical indicators. It could be moving averages, fib, when to use a fib, when not to use, when to use the extension, when to use a retracement, and when and what to use look up in market profile or monkey bar. Let me show it to you in a quick fashion. This is a market profile. This helps you to understand the market in a much different fashion. All those things, I promise you will have a much better idea when you finish these video lessons. And I'm giving for a very low price. I'm just putting it for $99, so many of you can take advantage of it. This is for sure worth a lot more than what I have priced it. Please take advantage of it. Thank you.